need an Arduino board, a breadboard, 2 jumper wires, an LED, and a 220 ohm resistor. Before we make our LED blink, let's just turn it on first. Connect the ground pin from the Arduino to the black wire on your breadboard. Connect 5 volts from the Arduino to the breadboard as well, next to ground. Place your resistor on the breadboard. Plug the long leg of the LED, the positive side, into the resistor and connect it to 5 volts. Plug the short leg, the negative side, into the ground. The resistor is important. It makes sure the LED doesn't get too much electricity, which would burn it out. Now plug in your Arduino. The LED should light up. Now let's make the LED blink instead of staying on constantly. Take the wire that was connected to 5 volts and move it to the pin 3 on the Arduino. These numbered pins at the top are called I/O pins, input-output pins. They let the Arduino send or receive signals. Here we are in the Arduino IDE. This is where we write and upload code to our Arduino. Now we'll type pin mode 3 output. Now that's basically just saying that pin 3 is now for sending electricity through when we want it to. Make sure you put a semicolon at the end of that line. Now to actually get electricity to go through pin 3, we type digital write 3 high, and we write delay 1000, and 1000, this is a millisecond, so 1000 milliseconds equals 1 second. And this piece of code that I just wrote here is the same as above, except it turns it off. Then we write another delay 1000 milliseconds, semicolon, then press upload. Make sure to watch our next video where we learn how to use a button to control an LED.